Hey guys, thank you so much for coming back and welcome to my channel. And in this video, I want to talk to you about OMG tokens. So since you already know that there are so many ICOs coming up this entire year, there have been so many ICOs, and every ICO has its unique value and unique features that it offers, and then and then they launch in the cryptocurrency market. So I want to talk to you about this OMG tokens, which I actually just came across recently. And so OMG tokens does not stand for Oh My God token. Actually, it stands for Omisgo. Now, Omisgo is already an existing company which was founded in 2013. So they are already into, they are a venture-backed payment company operating in Thailand, Japan, Singapore, and Indonesia already. So they are already a wallet company. What they are going to do different now this time is they are going to build the same wallet, integrate the same wallet on a blockchain. So what happens is when they build on the blockchain, that the same existing product that they have, which is Omis, will be now built on Ethereum. It's already built on Ethereum. So Omisgo is now built on Ethereum, and they have a token, OMG tokens. And what problem they are able to solve is that it will be a e-wallet, which is a payment platform, which is already it is, but so far it is for the fiat currency. So what they are going to do is they are going to integrate the cryptocurrencies also. So in short, what they have to say is Omisgo will create a platform for managing fiat, cryptocurrency, and other assets with its powerful wallet software development kit. So Omisgo builds a liquid on-chain decentralized exchange off-chain payment network to make its ecosystem work. So what it actually means that a person does not have to have a bank account in order to transact. It's very much similar to Bitcoin, but it is built on Ethereum. And this supports the fiat currency also. Fiat currency, any multiple currencies. So what are the main uses of OMG tokens, Omisgo? That it can be used for remittance, it can be used for loyalty points, it can be used for mobile banking, it can be used for asset tracking, and it can be used for digital gift cards. Now what is the good news? There's a good news here. Now this OMG tokens, which we generally have to buy on an exchange, if you're an Ethereum holder, so if you're holding an Ethereum token already with you, listen to this carefully. So you are eligible for the same number of OMG tokens. I'm not sure whether every Ethereum holder is going to get that. What they have said is a 5% of the entire tokens is going to be given to the existing Ethereum stakeholders, for the simple reason that OMG tokens is being built on Ethereum. So in short, OMG tokens are nothing but it's a e-wallet platform which is going to integrate the cryptocurrencies as well as the fiat currency all together on one, so that you don't have to exchange, buy or sell. It's all integrated in one platform, which is OMG. So to me it looks very promising in near future, but however I think it's trading at about $4 right now on the exchanges, which is pretty good for a token like this, because usually it takes to reach a price of $4 it takes about a couple of months, but I think it is just about 1 month or 2 months and they have launched and it's already $4. So to me it looks very promising. Yeah, I mean, go ahead and research about it more. I can tell you who all are on the advisory board of Omigo. So we have Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum himself, Gavin Wood. So these are the couple of guys. I mean, these guys have a very good reputation in blockchain space already, and this Omisgo sounds very similar to Abra. Because Abra was one of the e-wallet also based out in China, which is Singapore, sorry, uh, which actually supports the cryptocurrency as the fiat currency. And just to let you know, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan is one of the investor into that, right? So that's what it looks to me. But OMG tokens overall is built on Ethereum and it looks very very promising. There are so many other tokens which are built on Ethereum. So of course Ethereum is one of the most used blockchain application that we have right now. So yeah, so that's it for now. That's about OMG tokens. And do let me know what are your thoughts and opinions on OMG tokens. Go ahead, research it, research the white paper, and do share if I missed out on anything. And I hope you enjoyed, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to the channel so that you are updated with all my every video that I'm uploading. So I'll be talking about these ICOs also nowadays, because I think there's a lot of potential in them. Having said that, please do not consider any of my videos as a investment advice, guys. This is a very very volatile market. This is a new technology, and so do your own research and take the right decision for yourself. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Hit on the subscribe button and see you guys in the next video. Thank you.